Good morning everybody, Joe Girl here. How's everybody doing? I'm just waiting to see if the wind and the rain dies down. Terrible summer, dressed up like winter. But I don't know if you can mind when Sunrise, my wee yellow check, was born. And I said that she had she's got clear eyes. You can see they're clear. Now somebody told me that they would change because I was amazed by her eyes when she was born. But they've not changed. She's nearly, I need to check my book, but I think she's about 5 months now. And the both of them have not changed. But what, like, it's different for all you pigeon fellas and women out there that have all got your racing pigeons. You've always got something to talk about in your videos. You've always preparing for a race, got race results. Me with my backyard tumblers, if they don't flee, I've nothing for yous. So I was sitting there in my brain thinking, right, well, what can I think of? And I know I'm no perfect, I've made a lot of mistakes, but I'm getting a bit better with my birds and I'm getting to know them. And I can use these two to demonstrate. With your birds in the hot weather, when we had all that hot weather there, you'll notice with your birds, just demonstrate with these wee yellow mealies. I love that, I know they kind of are. You can see the eye is perfect wide. Now you'll know with a bird they've got two eyelids, one that goes up and one that goes down. And when the squabs and any of your birds are dehydrated, one of their lids will come up and it will cover half of their eyes, and you just need to help them with a wee bit of water because that means they're dehydrated. I learnt that on the internet when I was studying, so I did. I'm just amazed by the colours in these vegans, absolutely beautiful. I've not got any, well I have got another two vegans, but the mum's on them tight, so I'm not taking them off her, but they're absolutely fine. Wait till I see if I can see with my, use the rattle now because they're a bit bigger. And again, my two white babies, their two eyes are wide. See that? I've know that I want it, but just to show you, nice and bright and wide. These are some size of chicks, going to be good chicks. So they are. It'll probably be, well, the winter will be coming in by the time, well no, Scotland's always the same. Our rains go on holiday and all the rain comes, and then they go back to school and the English rains go on holiday, and then we get a bit of sunshine again. Straight back into your rains. You can just see us just jumping back into them. So hopefully by that time my whitings will be at a decent age. I can get them out in that wee box that I made and get them flying. I've got eggs galore. I take away eggs and then you get bump eggs galore again. With Apache, I'll just move you down. My wee bronze pine. Oh, there. I thought her two eggs were infertile. I checked them after I think about 3 days. This is I'll just leave her with them, just so that she doesn't come after them too early. So, I know yesterday, day before, when I was rippling this square, thought, right, before I decide to take this away, I'll get the wee torch that I use and I'll candle them. Candled them and aye, they're fertile, so it just goes to show, just give them that week when you're just starting out. That's the wee feather to it. Some size of beacon now, isn't it? That's half tumbler, half white pigeon. Lindsay, you commented asking about the white pigeons, so you did. I actually went to a man in Kilsyth, was in contact with him, and he brought me my white birds, and they're actually off the Logan racers. So they are. So that's how the wee feathers in there, you can see in the picture. It's got quite a big beak, nothing like the tumblers. He's half tumbler because his feather is the yellow saddleback. So he is. But that's it for the day. I'm going to open up and then I'll get a separate video flying because I don't know how to stop it, pause it, do what I've got to do, get them up in the air and then start it again. So I've got to make another video. Sorry about that to everybody. A big shout out to everybody. Thanks for coming across. If you watch my channel, hit that subscribe button please. And I'll catch you all later. Thank you.